Hey guys, I'm Elena and today we are going to learn about definite and indefinite articles in French. So let's get started. So first let's talk about the indefinite articles. We have three indefinite articles, un, une and they. We use un when we have a masculine singular noun, une for feminine singular noun and they for plural, both feminine and masculine. Un and une mean a or an in English and they means some. Why do we use indefinite articles? Whenever we have to describe something in general, not specific, just in general. Just like I say, une fille, a girl, un garçon, a boy, des étudiants, some students. So something in general, we use the indefinite article. Now let's discuss a few important points about the indefinite articles. First and the most important point is that whenever you are negating a sentence, whenever you are changing from a positive to a negative sentence, the indefinite article will change into de or d apostrophe. D apostrophe when the succeeding word starts with a vowel. Now, this rule has a catch. It does not apply whenever we have the verb être. Now, I'll explain with the help of an example. But first, be clear, whichever indefinite article it is, un, une, they, it will change into de, the or the apostrophe. For example, we have je n'ai pas un chien. I don't have a dog. Here we are using negation, ne pas, and we also have indefinite article un. So this sentence is wrong since with negation we have used un. The correct way would be je n'ai pas de chien. Here un changes into the. But it does not apply whenever we have the verb être, just like over here. C'est un garçon. Here we have used the verb être. This is the verb être which is being conjugated here. So c'est un garçon. We have the indefinite article un. But when we negate it, it becomes ce n'est pas un garçon. It remains un only. With être, we do not change the indefinite article to the. I'll repeat once again. Whenever you have indefinite article and the sentence is in negative form, change the indefinite article to de or the apostrophe except when your verb is être. So be very careful if être is being used or not. Second point, whenever you have an adjective placed before the noun, in general in French the rule says that the adjective is placed after the noun, but in some cases the adjective is placed before the noun. In that case, your indefinite article they only applies to des or they, not for un and une. It will change again into de or d apostrophe. So for example, you have ce sont des belles filles. Here your adjective belle comes before your noun fille, and you also have your indefinite article des, they. So here your they will change to the. Ce sont de belles filles instead of ce sont des belles filles. So first rule, indefinite article changes to de or d apostrophe in negation except for être, and whenever there is an adjective placed before the noun, your indefinite article they will change into the or d apostrophe. Next we are going to talk about the definite article. So we have four definite articles, le, la, les and l apostrophe. So le is used when your noun is masculine and singular, la for feminine singular and les for plural, and l apostrophe whenever your noun is singular and starts with a vowel. All of them are equivalent to the in English. They are used to describe something specific. Indefinite articles are for more general or when you are broadly speaking, and for a definite we are talking about particularly about something. For example, la fille, le garçon, l'étudiant, les étudiants. So if you are a beginner, you might be confused that in the previous examples I said une fille, un garçon, des étudiants, and now I'm using the same words with the definite article. Why is that so? So just be clear that the word does not determine whether you have to use definite or indefinite article. It's the sentence. It depends on the sentence. Fille can be used with any article. It does not matter it only matters on the sentence. So la fille, une fille, deux filles, everything is correct. Now let's discuss a few cases where we use definite articles. First one is with preferential verbs, verbs which show your likes and dislikes. There are 4 preferential verbs: aimer, to love; adorer, to like; détester, to hate; and préférer, to prefer. So with all these 4 verbs, you will always use the definite article. For example, j'aime la salade. So I love salad. So salad, it's feminine in French, and we have the preferential verb aimer. So we have used the definite article. Second is with seasons, days of the week, newspapers, languages, etc. For example, we have je vais à l'école le lundi. I'm going to school on Monday. So lundi is a day of the week, Monday. So we use the definite article. And also with countries, continents, mountains, monuments, but not with cities. With cities, you use article a or the, so not the definite article with cities. So la France, les États-Unis are also a few examples where you use definite article. Now, since we have briefly learned about both the articles, now let's do a few questions. So the first question is, elle n'aime pas dash banane. She does not like bananas. So here we have the verb aimer. I told you preferential verbs always use definite article. Even though it's a negation, we have used a preferential verb. So we will use the definite article les because banana here is plural. Il y a dash livres dans dash table. There is a book on the table. In sentences where you cannot make out whether you have to place definite or indefinite article, try, getting the translation and then try it out. Might not work every time, but works most of the time. So there is a book. Il y a un livre dans la table, on the table. So you're talking about a book on the table. Here, livre is masculine and not feminine. I have been getting a lot of doubts about this, but it's masculine. Even though it ends with E, there are many exceptions and livre is one of them. So it's masculine. Il y a un livre dans la table. Next question. Cet animal n'est pas dash chien. This animal is not a dog. So we have the verb être over here. We'll use indefinite article, because it's a simple sentence. So according to the rule, it says that whenever you have negation, you place the indefinite article as de or d apostrophe. So we should place the, right? Here's the catch. It has être over here. Ce n'est pas. So you cannot place the. You just place ce n'est pas un chien. Cet animal n'est pas un chien. Fourth question. Il y a dash grands arbres au-dessus du parc. There are big trees around the park. Here you see the adjective is placed before the noun. Be very careful in such questions. So we'll write de. Originally we were supposed to write des, but since we have the adjective before the noun, we'll write the. Il y a de grands arbres au-dessus du parc. Fifth question. On mange beaucoup dash légumes. So here légume is plural, so you'll probably write something plural over here. I'm not sure if this is related to your indefinite or definite article, but since I saw this question, I thought I should discuss it with you. So always remember that beaucoup is it's a phrase, proper sentence. Beaucoup de, not a sentence, but it's a proper expression. Beaucoup de. So no matter whatever your noun is, whether it be plural, feminine, masculine, anything, beaucoup will always be with the. Beaucoup de. Just remember that. Sixth question. Mon ami a dash chien. My friend has a dog. Simple. Mon ami a un chien. Why not le? My friend has the dog. Not. So we are just talking about a general dog. My friend has a dog. That's why un. Seventh one, j'étudie dash français. J'étudie le français because I told you we are using a definite article with languages. So j'étudie le français. Eighth question, c'est dash vie. Now this can be a bit tricky. The answer is actually c'est la vie. So here we have used la because we are talking about a general sense of a noun. This might be a little bit difficult to comprehend. C'est la vie means that's life. In English we are not using any article, so that's why if you literally see, it does not make sense if you literally translate. So here whenever we are talking about a general sense of a noun, we'll use here definite article. So I previously said that whenever there's something general, use indefinite article, but we are not talking about that general, we are just talking about general of a noun. So here that noun is life, vie. So such generals, it might be a bit difficult to understand, and most probably if you are a beginner, these questions won't come. So just for your information, I have just written c'est la vie, that's life. So I hope that with these exercises and the explanation, this topic was a bit more clear. If you want, then I'll do more questions. Just comment down below. And that will be all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. For notes, question papers, worksheets and more, you can check out my website studywithalina.com. Link is in the description. Even you can send me your French resources at studywithalina@gmail.com and you will be credited on my website. I also have a second channel where I put vlogs and other fun stuff. So if you want to check that out, link is in the description. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.